Hey guys, this is Cam again with another video. I'm going to be tackling some stair sets in my Trek Marlin 6 and wanted to just, give you guys a quick intro here. The reason why I'm wearing different clothes than I am in the riding video is this is recorded actually the Monday after I rode the stairs. So the reason being, the very first intro that I did, it was just really bad. I started rambling and I was talking really slow. Just got to build back up those soft skills, those vlogging skills, talking to people through the camera. So I thought I would just re-record this for you guys really quickly and give you guys a preview of what I'm going to be doing. Some of the stair sets that we're going to be doing today, they're going to get up into the double digit, but the speed and difficulty that we're doing, it's not going to be anything too aggressive. And eventually I would like to progress up to something to where I'm either doing them faster or maybe even doing a stair gap, but at the same time, got to keep our expectations kind of in line with the equipment and that, those 100 millimeters of travel that we have on that front end Bontrager fork. So, well, it's not a Bontrager fork. Stock tires and tubes are Bontrager. I believe the fork is RockShox, if I remember correctly, on the Marlin 6. Correct me if I'm wrong. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and hit it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little montage of me bombing these stairs in the slowest way possible. So take it easy. Till next time. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Got caught in a random thunderstorm. Rain wasn't on the forecast for today, but you never really know in Texas. So camped out underneath. I'm not too sure what this bridge is, but yeah, we're in here. I think this is actually Lamar Street above us. So, all right, we're over here. We're gonna pull up to the next stair set of doom. So it was kind of thunderstorming earlier, but I mean, you can see it's just so hot outside that it's already kind of burning off the moisture. So it's just like really, really humid. It's the hottest part of the day. It's probably like 95 degrees right now. But you can see this lady kind of coming down the stair set. So this is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes down into this kind of like chunky rock section. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that short video of me conquering those stairs. It was a nice session today, little noob, amateur, urban free ride session. Man, you can really see how big this helmet is on my head. It looks so big. I like it because I feel super secure and it's very well ventilated, but it makes my head look pretty big. I like it though, so. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. Really kind of pushed myself outside of my comfort zone today, and I thought it was a good session. So until next time, we'll catch you later. I'm about to go get some Chipotle, refuel my body. Take it easy.